Wednesday Season 2, 2025. Backhand Index Pointing Right starring Jenna Ortega and Georgie Farmer. Wednesday is an American supernatural horror comedy television series based on the character Wednesday Addams from the Addams Family. Created by Alfred Goff and Miles Miller, it stars Jenna Ortega as the title character, with Catherine Zeta-Jones, Luis Guzman, Isaac Ordonez, Gwendolyn Christie, Ricky Lindholm, Jamie McShane, Fred Armisen, and Christina Ricci in supporting roles. 4 of the 8 episodes are directed by Tim Burton, who also serves as executive producer. It revolves around the title character, who attempts to solve a monster mystery at her school. Burton was previously associated with 2 Addams Family-related projects, the 1991 film, which he turned down, and a cancelled stop-motion animated film. In October 2020, it was reported that he was directing a television series, which later received a series order from Netflix. Filming took place in Romania between September 2021 and March 2022. Wednesday premiered on November 16, 2022, and premiered on Netflix on November 23 to generally positive reviews from critics, who praised Ortega's performance but found some similarities to the CW dramas. Within 2 weeks of its premiere, it became Netflix's 3rd most-watched English-language series.